Hello guys, so open the project Java Explainer, in which I will show you how the Android Studio works and some basics. I will cover some basics of Java. So first of all, we have the Android manifest.xml where you can manage your activities. Here when you create a new activity, there will be the application tag here, the activity tag here, which will show the activities you have added. So whenever you create a new activity, the activity must be activity tag must be here with the path of the activity, otherwise the activity won't run. So first we can create a new activity. We can go on new to create a new activity for us. You can keep it like empty activity. Yeah, this is what we will do. We will keep it as the launcher activity, which means that it will be launched as soon as we open the application. It will be the first activity which will open as we launch the application. Okay, so this is our main activity. You can see this is the class, this is a class, and this is the protected void method. We will cover all these basics in future. As of now, I am just introducing you to the Android Studio and how it looks like. Here you can see the activity was defined when we created a new activity, and if you want to create a new activity yourself, you can click on new Java class and you can type x. You can type any name. I am writing as of now explainer activity, and you can extend the app combat activity. Like here it is. You can see here app combat activity is extended by the main activity. The same thing you can do here. Then you can generate some override methods. We will generate on create view override methods. So on create view, yeah. So we will have this one. Maybe here we have on create view, and you can also define on create method. There are many other on create methods to replicate the one which was in the main activity we created, which was the default one. This was the method which is displayed in main activity. You can see here, and this is how you can create a new activity. Then you can create a new layout for the activity. You can attach it. As of now, we have the activity main. We can create a new layout. We can create the new layout resource file. Here we will create activity explainer layout. So when we click on OK, it will create a new one. Then we can write a set content view. Here you can see how they have defined it, and the same thing we will do here. We'll just use a different layout file. Yeah, this is our explainer activity. Now we will define it in this activity tag, explainer activity, exported equals false. Then we will go with this is what we need to define in an activity which is not a launcher activity. If you define this here, then there will be an error in application, because it will think why you have kept two launcher activities. They need only one launcher activity, right? So if you want to keep the explainer activities as your launcher activity, you can remove it from here and you can put it inside here, and you need to keep it true. Exported must be true here, and you can keep it as false here, right? But as of now, we will like to keep it as true in the main activity. We will keep main activities as a launcher activity, right? There is some error. We can use linear layout as of now. Yeah, I will show you how to use constant layouts and linear layouts in the future videos. As of now, we will use the linear layout. So first of all, we can add a text view. This is how you do add the components. You have to drag it. You can put it here also and put it here also. It will do the same work for you. wherever you put. So you can also create a button like this. We'll learn how to add some details, how can we define them properly. So as of now, we will run our application which has just a word text view. For that we need to create a new emulator, right? It will be a virtual device. You can go here on virtual tab. Then you can click on create device. We will create a phone category. Phone. So you can use Pixel 6 Pro. Then we can click on next. Okay, it is asking for a system image. Maybe there is some network issue in my end. So we can create it later in other videos. I will show you how to run the application. You have to just click on this. If you are connected to internet, you can easily do it. I'm having some network issues, so yeah. So this is how the main activity works. This is how Android Studio directories are. This is the RES directory in which there are layout drawables. Drawable means the images. This is auto generated because this will be in our application's logo. It is automatically generated. We have not introduced it ourselves. We can create our logos ourselves if we want to. We will learn it in the future. As of now, I'm just introducing how the Android Studio looks like. So this is, here we can write any color, for example orange. So for orange you can copy paste. Here you can get the orange. Yeah, this is orange, right? So here is what the hex code for orange is, and then a new color will be created. Then to create a new string, then this will be in your resources file, so you can use this in your this text views and all. For example, I can use here it like, wait just a minute, I will create a new string resource file which I will keep the name text view. It will display text view for that. And if we keep it sorry, I went to, yeah, so now text view, and now it will display the text view. Yeah, you can see this is what we had written in the strings one. You can edit it here also, for example Java, so it will display Java here. Yeah, you can see this is the basic of how Android Studio works. This is XML file. These are the backup rules and data extraction rules. They are not very important for us as of now. First we need to learn how to write the code and create activities and other parts of the Android life cycles. We will know more about activities in the next video. So this is what I had to show you in the first video, right? Thanks for watching. Please see the videos I uploaded earlier if you haven't seen them, and that will be very helpful for you. It is about installation of Android Studio. If you have not installed Android Studio, this is how you can do it. Okay. Thanks for watching.